Isn't that amazing? Hi everybody, welcome to another Texas Top Shelf Reptiles. I'm Chad and this is Savannah. Today is the day that we've all been waiting for. Today is the unboxing of our Rose City Reptiles high black and white Tegu. He's just a couple years old. If you haven't been following Joey, yeah, that's him right there. Check him out. Great. He's got a bunch of babies coming in right now. Check out his website, which is right there. And yeah, he's super awesome, friendly business person. Great place to get your baby Tegus from. And as soon as my wife gets here with that package, we'll be right back at you. Say bye.
Bye.
Alright everybody, here we are. The unboxing of the Tegu is here. Get my old trusty work knife out. Get a nice cut. We are extremely excited. Savannah, I think, might be a little bit more excited than I am, but I'm not sure. So here we go. Nice box.
You will take that out.
Oh, this is pretty cool. Certificate of authenticity. Let's see if I can get that to focus. The light's pretty bright. There. Okay. Anyway, certificate says Certificate of Authenticity, Plague and Marcel, hatch date July 23rd, 2021. Number 6 of 25. Alright. Installation. Ooh. Oh, there he is.
Oh, wow, Daddy Tegu.
Okay, so pretty neat. We've got a full Tupperware here. We've got holes drilled in the side. Pretty warm. There's no packing, but it's almost 100 degrees outside.
Oh, I just see this white tongue. Oh, I see it.
Alright.
It's okay, buddy.
Alright, I'm going to come and get the camera a little bit closer.
Aw, it's a Tegu. What? You got a Tegu.
Alright.
I want a Tegu too.
Okay, so he's actually a little bit bigger than I thought he was going to be. Hey buddy, it's okay. And what I have is just a little...
Oh, I see his head.
Hi, set it up. Easy. Hi. Okay, let's just put our hand out here.
Oh, look at this
Hi, buddy. So everyone, this is Diesel.
Oh, Holly, look.
Hi, buddy.
Hi.
No, let's not grab him. We're going to let him just kind of figure himself out and then kind of come out of the box if he wants to. I'm not going to force him. I've got a couple little roaches over here for him. Let's see if he wants to eat real quick.
He wants to eat. Oh, you see this little tongue? That's his tongue. You want it, buddy?
No?
Tegu, they will eat that.
Probably not going to want to eat right out, but easy, there you go.
I love Tegus. It's Tegu is here.
That's okay.
It's okay, buddy.
Yeah. It's okay.
Oh, you see this tail slide?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. You see that got a tongue? Wait. You want to come out of the box?
Look at this guy. He's amazing. You want to touch him today?
Mm-hmm. Oh, he's soft.
Mm-hmm.
I just feel him.
It doesn't quite feel like Einstein, huh?
You don't have spikes. You don't have spikes.
There we go. Look at that. That's... Oh, I'm sorry. I haven't even been paying attention if I've been keeping this in the camera or not, because I was pretty much infatuated with him. He is amazing.
Come on. Yes.
Not running at all. Trying to get down and let him socialize a little bit.
Wow. Tegu. Is running?
Let's not jump off the table. Okay, let's not jump off the table.
No, Don't chop off at the table, Tegu. You're little.
Everybody, this is Diesel.
I just tell you to.
Yeah. Alright. Alright, everybody. The moment we've all been waiting for. I love it. He is big. He's not running around. He doesn't look like he's super scared. He's definitely trying to figure out what's going on. I think here in just a second, after we let him go around just a second, I've got a tub right here. I'm gonna put him in there. It's got a little bit of water in it. See if he wants to hydrate a little bit since he's been in shipping overnight.
Dad, I go check in here.
Here we go, guys. Isn't that amazing? Alright, everybody. Here we go. I don't want to stress him out too much more than he already is. And he's actually doing really good. He's just kind of hanging out, but as he started warming up just a little bit, he started moving around a lot more, and I want him to get comfortable and get relaxed. So we're going to let him go in the cage, let him get warmed up. There's water in there, there's all kinds of roaches and worms and isopods, all kinds of stuff. And here in a little bit, once he gets acclimated, I'm going to put him in some Tegu mix that we made, and I have a video of that too if you want to see the ultimate Tegu mix. But here is the Rose City Reptiles High Black and White Tegu, 2 weeks old. Alright, here he goes. Definitely just exploring. There's so much in this to explore. If you haven't seen any of the videos on this, I'd go back and take it out. This is a custom build. It is a 3x3 and 2 feet high. It's got 2 heat lamps. I only need one UVB LED grow light. He's just checking everything out right now. His hide's back there. Temps are 89, humidity in his hide is 99 and 84.2, 89 in the back, and let's see if you can see that, 80, there we go, 89 and 85 humidity. He is just checking places to hide. Of course, he's going to go behind the water bowl. Maybe, maybe not. Sooner or later, I'll get a GoPro, and that way we can do more. More time-lapse videos. There he goes. Just hanging out. Not too frantic. There's your hide, buddy. Yeah. Still just checking everything out. Alright, everybody, I'm going to let him kick back and relax and enjoy his new enclosure for a little bit. And if you want to watch, we're going to be doing weekly updates on this baby boy, and we should be getting a crime scene baby here pretty quick too. So until next time, we'll see you in the videos. Bye guys.